As you can see, there's a lot of build-up of moss in the gutters. I've got Lee up there pulling everything out. If you're homeowners based in the Birmingham area, we're working in this area all week. We've been here all week. We're working in this area next week. 10% off all jobs, all services. Get in touch and we'll come and we will sort out these problems what you're having. Debris build up of the gutters. Get your gutters all running freely. Contact Wow Gutters for your 10% discounts. 10% off any services what we're doing from next week only. Thank you.